Hello everyone, welcome. Tutor Be Smart here. So let's look at another question. This is mathematics, so get your book, get your pen. Okay, so we are solving this question here, and we're using this space as our space for showing the workings. Okay, so the question reads: simplify 5 open brackets 2y minus 3 close brackets minus 2 open brackets 5 minus 2y close brackets. How many marks? 2 marks. So pay particular attention here. All right, for you to get full marks, you need to pay attention. So I'll write the full question here. 5 open brackets 2y minus 3 close brackets negative open brackets 5 minus 2y close brackets. So the first step that we're going to do in solving this question, pay attention, is to expand the brackets. And to expand the brackets in mathematics, it means we're multiplying 5 by everything inside here or in the parentheses, and then negative 2 with everything in the parentheses or everything inside here. So here's how we're going to do it. So we're going to say 5 times 2y, it is what? 10y. 5 times negative 3, it is negative what? 15. Okay, so we move to the other side. All right, so this is negative 2 times 10, it is what? Negative 10. The same here again, negative 2 times negative 2y. So here is an example for you. Pay attention to the signs. All right, negative times negative is what? Positive. And then here, negative times positive, it is negative. So write these notes down. These are exam notes for you. Okay, so that you avoid the confusion of signs. Okay, so let's get back to the question. So it's negative 2 times negative 2y. So this is going to be positive 4y. Positive 4y. Let me just write it down there. Positive 4y. Okay, so we are done with the first step, and the first step was step 1 was what? Expanding what? Brackets. Okay, so we continue. Equals. Okay, so the second step here, we have to collect the like terms. That's the second step, collecting the what? The like terms. You can see we have 4y and then we have 10y. So these are like terms. Even here, negative 15 and negative 10, these are like terms. So we are going to first group 4y with what? 10y. So this is how everything will look like. Okay, 10y positive 4y. So this negative, positive 4y goes, or moves together with a sign to what? To 10y. This is why you have seen positive 4y, because this one goes together with a sign to be grouped together with 10. So we take this to come this side. Okay, we continue, and then we are grouping as well negative 15 and negative 10. Okay, so in our second step, we did what here? In step 2, we did what? We grouped the like terms. I hope you're writing these notes down. The what? The like terms. We continue. Okay, so since here we have grouped the like terms, let me just cover this in here and then this also in here, okay, for you to see clearly how we are moving. Okay, so now 10y plus 4y, we are getting 4y. Remember, there's a sign here. So when we put these numbers, negative 15 minus negative 10, on the number line, remember, we add. In other words, we are saying negative plus negative, it is positive. So we add 15 plus 10, we get what? 25. And then we get the sign that the bigger number carries. In this case, it's negative. All right, carried by 15. So we say negative 25. Okay, so here we say negative plus negative, it's positive. So we add 15 plus 10 to get 25, and then we get the sign with a bigger number. And the bigger number here is what? Is 15. And this is our final answer. Okay, then you have your 2 marks there. Basically, this is how you solve such a question. Then you have 2 marks, 1 mark for your workings, and then 1 mark for your final answer. You have your 2 marks. All right, we have come to the end of our session. This has been Tutor Be Smart. It is bye for now.